My friends over at NHO sent me their release wand here, their deep tissue release wand. We do already have a fascia scraper from them, which is actually really nice, heated and everything if you want to check that one out. But they asked me to take a look at this one. So a couple differences between a scraper and the wand. You still have the small ball bearing here for acupoints and deep tissue. This rubber end here is for more larger and initial release of pressure points. And then this is for harder areas and more of a deep tissue massage that this gives. It also says in the guidebook there that you can use this flat end for larger areas. So I was actually messing around with this a little bit before this video just because I think these things are super interesting. I've never been big on going to a masseuse, but I have been big into exercise and personal trainers, and they have to, you know, release muscles and you have to stretch and things get sore. This feels amazing on my shoulders. So like I said, initial release, start with this rubber piece here. There are multiple settings, so you hold to turn it on. That's how that starts. And then there are, the light just tells you, I think there's like 5 different settings to ramp it up. And then it also comes with these side pieces here, and all you would do is you attach them to this piece here. These are just going to give you a little bit more surface area, so you're not digging into your shoulder or your spine or whatever it is. Don't hit your bone with that. It will make your teeth vibrate. It's weird. But overall, this is super nice. Easy charging port here. As you can see, it comes with USB rechargeable cord here. It does come with its own fascia scraper here. This comes in a pouch. Again, super nice. You don't have to go out and buy another one of these. I'll keep this here. A guide. It kind of just gives you a real fast rundown on how to do these. So I'm not a medical expert. The short and sweet of this is you go towards your body, right? So you start at the elbow, go to the shoulder, start at the fingers, go to the elbow. Gives you all the different anterior muscle groups, everything that would let you know, here's how you relax XYZ muscle group. Kind of foolproofs it for you. And then on this, again, hold the button, start it up right here. And then I start on the flatter side, the rubber piece, and then you would go again to yourself, right? So this would relax that muscle group and then flip it to this larger side that I prefer. I don't have any use to go directly into this acupuncture point piece here. This is really intense, right? Like you can get super deep into these muscles. Preference is start with the larger rubber side. This piece I'll use for like a really dense muscle group, like right under my armpit where my pec is. This thing is amazing. This hurts if you're not using it properly. So that's what these are for. Overall, I really like this tool. The other one that they also have, the scraper, is heated. Check that one out if you haven't already. Super nice kit that the whole thing comes with, very easy to use, and I like all 3 points.